Hi, this is Mike T with Dean Team Golf Carts in Chesterfield, Missouri, and my technician Wally here. I'm the service manager down here at Dean Team Golf Carts, and this is Battery Warranty Claims 101. So on these warranty claims, we do a test of the full pack to see where it's at, and then we will also do a test on each individual battery to see where those numbers are, because the manufacturer will want those numbers. So as he checks all these, we notate these down on paper for the manufacturer, and we send those in to them after the test is done and completed. Once we do the test of each individual battery, we then bring the entire pack up to a full charge, and then we put a discharge machine on the cart and the pack of batteries. And what that discharge machine will tell us is how many minutes are left in that actual battery pack. On a set of Trojans like we have here in this cart, these are 8 volts that you're seeing in here. And basically on a new set of Trojan 8 volts, you should be around 115 minutes on a full charge. Wally's getting the discharge machine here hooked up. Once we bring it up to a full charge, we then get this machine here hooked up to it. And what this does is simulates 4 people on the cart going up hills. After we get these numbers on the discharge machine, then we notate all these down as well and send that into the manufacturer. And at that point, they let us know if the batteries are approved or not. That is Battery Warranty Claims 101 with Dean Team Golf Carts. If you guys have any questions or anything, our service number, well, the number to the store is 314-647-4000, and you hit number 2 for service. I'm Mike T. Thanks a lot for watching.